Hi guys, this is Nikki, also known as Faces Trader, and you're watching the Awesome10x market update for the global market. It's Monday, November 23, 2020, and I'll begin with some company charts today. So actually, like last Friday, we've seen a lot of movement, some 30% ups on our free Friday class pick. That was Dada Nexus. I hope you listened as we've actually opened to buy Dada, and it actually rallied as high as 44 that day. Last Friday, we have been seeing quite a lot of movement. You can actually check out our free Friday class analysis on Dada Nexus on whether it fits your Awesome 10x portfolio. We're going to discuss companies that have really been performing strongly. Are there opportunities for people who are just new? If this is your first day with the market, are there still opportunities for you given significant run-ups? So the significant run-ups have been really very, very strong. We've seen like 100%, over 100%, over 100%, that some people might actually be more tempted to actually be a little bit cautious when they are exposing themselves in the market. Not saying that the market would fall. It's just that I think that most of the Awesome 10x investors who are earlier are actually just holding and in a position to actually benefit from further rallies, but not get clobbered down should a shakeout actually happen. So let's take a look at some companies in respect to that. I'm going to give you some charts while it's loading. Would there be continuous opportunities for you? So a few names that I'm taking a look at. So Clean Spark is actually a microgrid. It's part of my electric, it's a microgrid controller. I do think that this one has been, so actually it's a company that I think is a beneficiary in the solar movement and microgrid controllers. Recent drop from about 14, 15 all the way to 7 proves to me that that was a potential buying area. And so we actually were willing to buy 7 to 10. So today it's trading at about 10.15. I'd say that the dilution offering at about $9 or equity offering at $9 is already that support. It already got that balance sheet, and it's actually poised to go higher next year. For those who want an in-depth deep dive of Clean Spark, this is part of the Awesome 10x classes. We actually allotted an hour to discuss Clean Spark. But do note that for you guys, because it's a free show, just note that Clean Spark, in my view, can still be a potential outperformer. So from about 7 to 10, if you have an entry point, I do think that Clean Spark can still fit your portfolio. Maybe about 3% position for that, about 7 to 10. Also, I'd say that if you were listening to our free Friday class picks, a lot of my picks were actually up 50 to 100%, even in just 2 weeks. Let me just give you some roundups for that. Let's see. Let's go to my profile page. You could see that you all can follow me on Faces Trader. I don't mind being followed. And of course, you could see a lot of testimonials. We are not afraid to share to the entire world our Awesome 10x system, because definitely you'll make money with us, and I will of course grow, and I'll also make money. And if you could see this, this was a free Friday class pick. We said that there's Awesome 10x buying opportunities October 2020. As you heard me say, I said Clean Spark $7.50. Now it's trading at $10. For those who don't have it, for those who didn't follow that October 30 area of $7.50, which was here, even after 2 weeks here at about $10, you can still buy. Let me review for you the things that I said. October 30, the buying opportunities, October 2020. For those who haven't heard or listened to this, just go to Awesome 10x. I'll tell you what, go to Awesome 10x, type in the YouTube channel, October 30, example, October 30, 2020. You could see actually the exact buying opportunities. You can watch this 42-minute video wherein I actually help you identify opportunities, in my view, that still remains in play, even if the market is rallying. So Clean Spark, as you can see, outperformance $7.50 to $10. Maybe it can go $14 to $15. CD Project, as you can see, I said $350. Take note that all of my buying areas then were definitively just October 30, meaning I chose the prices on October 30, what you could buy, and that was this. October 30, the price was 346. I was even willing to buy 350. Even at 372 CD Project, I'm willing to buy this. So if you don't have this, even at 372, CD Project is trading at Warsaw, Poland. You can still buy this name. So I'll just review the names that I said. Creepy Jar 966, Bluebird 144. Let's take a look at that. So yes, I am looking at some Polish games, and these studios, in my view, are good. So these levels for Creepy Jar at 974 is a good area, even if you buy it just today. So that would be CRJ, that is in Poland. Okay, also Bluebird 144. Let's take a look at that, BLO. Bluebird team trades at Warsaw, Poland. All of these are available in your IBKR, Interactive Brokers. So here, even at 153, for those who don't have this, these Polish games, in my view, can still give you that kick in your portfolios. So even I tell people that I can give you Awesome10x names, even if you're just entering October, November. Definitely, just last Friday, we mentioned that the Nexus, which was up 30%. So assuming you've bought at 36, you're still up 20%. The question of some is that, let's say you missed my Friday free class. Can you still buy it at 43.88? 43.81? My answer is yes, you can still buy it. So for those who don't have Dada, even at today's level of 43.8, do take advantage of Dada Nexus. For those who don't know what Dada Nexus is, just the same, just go Dada Awesome10x, and you can see the video specifically for Dada Nexus if I give it as a free Friday class pick. Now, what's the incentive for people to actually just to actually subscribe to me if I give a lot of things for free? Well, the incentive is that definitely, although Dada Nexus was a free Friday class picks, what you only see on my free classes are just Fridays, meaning I do have great coverage Monday to Thursday. In fact, some of the winners that we own, and we are up 100, 200, 300%, might have been a featured update on Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday. So just wanted to shout out that for $40 per month, you can actually invest globally. And for just, actually, there's no minimum in the US. Our subscription fee is $40 a month. You open with Interactive Brokers. I'm going to share to you my referral link. So I never knew actually that I could promote and refer. I used to just help people out and open their Interactive Brokers without getting paid. And definitely, I do think that I deserve to get that referral commission if you want to open your Interactive Brokers. Go to my profile page. There's a referral link in my IBKR. I'm going to share to you my IBKR link. Wait up, guys. I didn't pin it. Just wait. Where did I put? Teka lang, just wait. So here, you can use my referral link. I shared it here when signing up with IBKR. You can also invite your friends in return. So actually, when you sign up, you'll get also your own referral link. You can actually invite your friends to watch the Awesome10x show. If you are cheapskate, you can just watch every Friday. That's fine. Don't worry. But if you want to join our classes, enter the Awesome10x. Let us help you out for your portfolio. Indeed, for just $40 a month, I can actually help you open your account today, fund your accounts, and I accept pesos if you don't have a dollar account. I can, for the Filipinos out there who wishes to convert their Philippine pesos to dollars, I can help you out from start to finish. So actually, just go to our website. I'm just, subtle promotion. Just go to awesome10x.com. Go to www.awesome. I shouldn't actually apologize, guys, because I'm helping you make money anyway. So you have to be the ones who are begging actually to get my picks, because I mean, how many people are giving you 100% up in just a month or less? I mean, Awesome10x does that for you. So sign up for Awesome10x Inner Circle, and do note that we help people invest globally. Let me just give you more proofs, no? Just a while ago, I gave that as a free Friday class pick, and you could see how the movements are. These are just testimonials of clients. Of course, yeah, this is what you've missed because you weren't listening to Awesome10x. You weren't a subscriber of Awesome10x. So you missed our Palantir moves, our Grow Generation, Serens, Qualcomm, SunPower, Lordstown Motors, Pintuotuo. Did you miss a lot? The answer is yes. Will you keep on missing in the future? The answer will be yes if you do not subscribe to Awesome10x. I mean, sure, you can do this independently. I don't mind, but we are really we are groups that we are a group of people that can actually, well, I am one, but the community that I've fostered can actually help you out, especially if you're a newbie, housewives, teachers, retirees. We help everyone. Okay, so let's take a look at some of them. So these Polish games, I'm a go there. Clean Spark, yes. Toby is in Sweden, 44. It's now actually trading at 50. Toby eye trackers, in my view, can still be profitable. So Toby is actually in Swedish kroner. Ticker symbol is Tobii, Tobii. Just wanted to show you how these picks performed, and if you could still buy them. So I'm like showing to you that. Wait up. So this is Tobii Eye Tracker. It's in Stockholm, Sweden. Indeed, in IBKR, you can buy all of the companies in the world. So that's why I like interactive brokers. So 51 is still a buying area for Tobii. Okay, so that is still $50, 51, you can enter. So definitely we said buy at 44, October 30 at 51, we continue to buy more. If you want it, you can get it. Funko at 650 then. Right now, Funko is trading at $8.50. I do think that even at $8.50 or 30% higher, you can buy it. I mean, isn't that proof enough that October 30, I said buy Funko at 650, and today it's already up at $8.50. How many YouTube shows can give you, I mean, point blank, give you answers, and doesn't really matter if it's a free class, right? So yeah, take a look. October 30, we said here, buy it at about 650 below. This was the price at about 648. See, October 30, it was 648. Now it's trading at 850. So even at 850, can you buy it? The answer is yes. The problem is that indeed you are paying about 25 to 30% higher for all our Awesome10x picks. Nonetheless, I do think that Funko, even at 850 all the way to 780, you can still buy it. What else can you still buy? As you can see, Disney 119 was a recommendation. Disney is now trading at $140, up about 20%. Quick service restaurant at 53 was a buying area. QSR is now trading at about 58 in my view. So I think the minimum returns that we've been doing is something like 10-15%. Not being braggart, but that's just what really is the truth, no? This was October 30. That was about 52 to 53. It's now trading at 59. I'm not willing to buy QSR at 59. However, if it gives an entry at 56, I'm okay. Because the reward. Take note that I'm also opining, for those who don't know. Yeah, okay, so I'll give you a few names. Shake Shack at 75 to 70 is a good entry in my view, and I think it's sell it at about 85 to 90. So if you don't have this, then you can still own this. So we have some picks in many sectors. Hexo, 72 cents was a buy. Grow Generation at 17.18 was a buy. Grow Generation is now trading at about $30, which doesn't make it okay for you to buy anymore. It doesn't mean that it's not going to go $40. It just means that you're paying 100% higher. Indeed, at about October 30, as you well see here, I'm going to just share to you how awesome Awesome10x truly is. Here on October 30, it was trading at about 17.40. Indeed, we mentioned it was a buy, 17 to 18, and now it's trading at about 30. It's now trading at 29. That is not a buying area for us. Some of us can take profits at 29 and 30, but we can also just hold on to it. Anyway, if it drops, I think that the maximum that Grow Generation drops is just 22 to 24. So, but our winners rarely actually drop. So our winners rarely drop. As to the secret of Awesome10x, well, the secret is me. Bloom Energy from about 14, that was a buy. Epsol at 2, we gave it as a buy. Epsol is now trading at 6. Bloom Energy is now trading at $20. So yes, Are they great? Are they awesome? I guess you can say that yes, we are truly awesome. Bloom Energy is now 19. That was just 14 here on about October 30. Take note as well, Excel. This one was a recommendation, buy at $2. That was just, yes, about 2 to 3 weeks ago. So have you made 100% on your picks in just about 3 weeks ago because Awesome10x is willing to do it for you and doing it in front of you real time, right? October 30, $2.209. It's now trading at $5.50. Congrats, of course, to all the Awesome10x members who have these names. Most of these coverage names are actually companies that we have actually classes that have these names. Fazzy 68 is now trading at 83, also up. Limelight 3.7 was given a reco. Right now it's trading at about 4.2. Tattooed Chef, you're lucky from about 17.5. This is the rare mistake. Tattooed Chef is now trading at 15.4. Nonetheless, we hold our Tattooed Chefs. SBE Charge Point is now trading 100%. It's now trading at 26.27. You missed your chances. Valentine Lighter at 13 is now trading at 17. GMHI, Goris Metropolis, is now trading at $13. We had a buy at 10.2. OAC 10.2, that would be this one is a SPAC that I personally told everyone that I haven't fully understand. I haven't studied it. OAC is actually from Howard Marks. It's gonna be a healthcare play. It's gonna be the HIMS, healthcare HIMS. So I haven't really studied this. However, in my view, at 10.20, my risk reward is very small. So my risk is just 20 cents. Plus, I believe in Howard Marks. So I'm willing to buy this at 10.2. You could actually be one of the lucky ones that can still buy Oaktree at 10.2 and not at 13. Chances, because example, for GMHI, we set to buy at 10.2. It's actually last week at $13. It's 12.75. So actually it's up 30% in just 2 days. We were buying at about October 30 at about 10.2. So yeah, you really missed a lot, just saying the truth. Novs 11 is a buy for me. TRNE, Desktop Metal, was a buy for me. Loke 10.8, Miniso 19. Novs is now trading at $12. Desktop Metal is now trading at 11. Loke is now trading at about 12. Miniso is still at 19.2, I think. So yeah, so if you notice, these are like 20 names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Out of the 23 names that Awesome10x gave you for free, yeah, we have a pretty good hit ratio. So, that portfolio, if you just bought it last 2 weeks ago, you'd be up about the average would be up about 30 to 40% up in just 2 weeks. Okay, it's funny. There's no commentary. Nobody's asking me any questions. Wow, I am actually surprised that nobody's asking. So, for those who are just new, I just wanted to share that Awesome10x can give you a lot of returns. Do take note of those opportunities that you may have missed, that you will continue to miss if you don't own them. Thank you very much, and that's it. Bye-bye. Okay na. I'm okay.